Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, viewer. I'm Rangga Aditya Harjono. Will accompany you for a few minutes later. Monday, 2 February 2023, Indonesia related to the earthquake in Turkey according to data from USGS. The second strongest earthquake occurred at 30:24 local time on Monday with a magnitude of 7.5. Although the European Mediterranean Earthquake Data Center stated that the initial data for the second earthquake occurred with a magnitude of 7.7 in Mars, Turkey.
Disaster and Emergency Agency said a 6.3 magnitude tremor struck close to the city of Antakya at 8 o'clock in the evening, local time. It was followed by 3 aftershocks, the strongest of which was a 5.8 near the town of Samandag. Here's more from Aditya.
A familiar feeling, the ground shaking, the instant fear, the rush to safety. Reports of more deaths began to trickle in, just weeks after the area was devastated by an historic earthquake.
Same fear, same feeling of unease. We can't enter inside. If we do, we can't stay. We don't know what to do. God have mercy on us.
Yet more buildings have collapsed. That means more rescue operations to save people trapped in the rubble. Officials warn people to leave any potentially dangerous buildings. So instead, they once again gathered around ruins. This latest earthquake was felt across the region, including Syria. The country was already torn apart by a civil war. Its hospitals are overwhelmed.
If we continue to live in this fear, and if there are more aftershocks, we'll stay in tents. We'll look for shelter until the situation calms down.
Officials have recorded more than 6,000 aftershocks since the first deadly earthquake hit weeks ago. This latest episode is a reminder that the danger is not over yet. Aditya, BBC News.
Depth of 2-kilometer data record, the death toll in Turkey and Syria has penetrated 1,300 souls. 912 victims died in Turkey, while 467 fatalities in Syria. The first earthquake occurred with a magnitude of 7.8 and became the strongest earthquake in the century. Turkish president mentioned more than 45 countries have offered to help. Okay, viewers, that is the news for today. I'm Rangga Harjono. Say thank you for your attention. Good luck for you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.